Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two concentric circles have a radii A and B. A is greater than B. What is the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle? Let us draw two concentric circles with center at O. Let AB be the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at point C. OC is the radius of the smaller circle and OA be the radius of the larger circle. So here OA is A and OC will be B. As chord of the larger circle will be the tangent to the smaller circle, thus OC is perpendicular to the chord AB and bisect it. So it makes the right angle triangle at point C. So in right angled triangle OCA, by Pythagoras theorem, OA square will be OC square plus CA square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So here OA square is OA square means A square. So A square equals to OC square means B square plus CA square. So CA square will be A square minus B square. Taking square root on both the sides, we get CA equals to under root A square minus B square, as AB equals to 2CA because perpendicular drawn from center bisects the chord, so that AB will be 2 times AC. So AB equals to 2 times CA means under root A square minus B square. So our correct option is option D.